Cheers, folks! We're back with our latest series of pouch video reviews. We're exploring a variety of products and giving you our honest opinions, straight to the point. Our testing team has been busy, so get ready for plenty of fresh reviews and in-depth analyses coming your way. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. And we'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment and let us know what kind of insights you'd like in our videos or reports. Your feedback keeps us motivated and moving forward. And now, let's get into it. Today, we're checking out one of the most popular products in the nicotine pouch game, ZYN. Alright, what's ZYN got to say about themselves?
ZYN nicotine pouches are a fresh way to enjoy nicotine. They're smoke-free, spit-free, and hands-free. ZYN comes in a variety of flavors and strengths, can be used anywhere, and requires no refills or batteries to provide the ultimate in nicotine satisfaction.
Now, let's break it down and see what our testers have to say.
Packaging and usability.
The ZYN packaging is a classic white can with a semi-transparent bottom and a separate compartment for used pouches that completely detaches from the can. Alright, let's dive into the flavor vibes, hoping for something unique. Unfortunately, we've got only the Cool Mint flavor for this review, but it still gives us a solid first impression of these pouches. In the future, we'll definitely test more flavors in detail.
ZYN Cool Mint X-Strong.
Now, let's break it down and see what our testers have to say. ZYN Cool Mint delivers a refreshing burst of mint that feels icy and invigorating. The flavor develops almost instantly, offering a cool sensation that lingers for around 45 minutes. Unlike some other mint options, the balance here is spot on, strong but not overpowering, with a subtle sweetness that enhances the experience. Users consistently praise the smooth nicotine release and comfortable pouch design. Some noted that the cooling effect is localized around the gums and wished it spread further. But this is a minor detail in an otherwise excellent product. Overall rating, 4.5 out of 5. ZYN Cool Mint stands out as one of the best mint options available. It's refreshing, well-balanced, and delivers a consistently satisfying experience. Ideal for those who enjoy a crisp, clean mint flavor without excessive intensity. Let's check out the lab tests.
Laboratory tests.
To measure thickness, we built a small test stand that applies equal pressure to each pouch, ensuring more consistent measurements. ZYN pouches came in at 3.1 millimeters. Gotta love the precision. Taking a look inside, the contents appear to be a standard cellulose base. Nothing unexpected here. No surprises, no hidden extras. The magic is all in the flavor formula and the ingredient mix. And as expected, no tobacco inside. Well, now we're ready to move on to the conclusions.
Final thoughts.
ZYN Cool Mint nicotine pouches offer a refreshing and well-balanced mint flavor with a smooth nicotine release. The packaging is practical, featuring a sleek design and a compartment for used pouches. Lab tests highlight consistent quality with a precise pouch thickness of 3.1 millimeters. While the cooling effect is localized, the overall experience is satisfying, making it a strong contender in the nicotine pouch market. A solid choice for those seeking a crisp, clean minty option. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all the latest updates. Stay informed and take care, everyone. Catch you in our next review. See you soon.